Namaskar and welcome to AIN Sports News. I wish I could give her a hug. Serena Williams feels for Naomi Osaka after her French Open withdrawal. Serena Williams said she feels for Naomi Osaka and her also experienced very difficult press conference in her career after her rival's shock withdrawal from the French Open on Monday. Japanese star Osaka pulled out of the tournament after being threatened with disqualification for declining to speak to the media, saying she suffers from bouts of depression. Williams, who famously lost to Osaka in the controversial 2018 US Open final, said she sympathizes with Osaka. The only thing I feel is that I feel for Naomi. I feel like I wish I could give her a hug because I know what it's like, she said, the 39-year-old, after her first round 7-6, 6-2 win over Irina Camelia Begu in the first ever night match at Ronaldo Garros. We have different personalities and people are different. Not everyone is the same. I am thick, other people are thin. Asian Boxing Championship 2021. Sanjeet wins gold. Shiva Thapa, Amit Pangal settle for silver. India's Sanjeet beat Kazakhstan's Vasily Levit in 3-2 split decision in the 91 kg final to win gold at the Asian Boxing Championship on Monday. Earlier, Shiva Thapa lost to Mongolia Batarsuk Chingozia in a 2-3 split decision in the 64 kg final and settled for silver as Amit Pangal lost for reigning World and Olympic Championship Joyrov of Uzbekistan in a 2-3 split decision in the final of the 52 kg event to settle for silver. This is the third loss of Pangal at the hand of Joyrov ahead of the Tokyo Olympics. The army man, who is a former Indian Open gold medalist, claimed the first two rounds in an evenly contested bout before Levitt fought back in the final 3 minutes. Pangal lost 2-3 to known nemesis Joyrov of Uzbekistan in what was a repeat of 2019 World Championship final, which had also ended in Joyrov's favor. Rahi Sarnabot, Manu Bhaikar shoot identical score in precision round. Rakhi Sarnabat and Manu Bhaker, India's medal hopes in the women's 25m pistol event at the upcoming Tokyo Olympic Games, shot identical precision round score of 291 at the European Shooting Championship on Monday. Completing in the minimum qualification score section of the event, Rakhi and Manu's score 8th best overall among regular the MQS shooters, gave them top billing in the 7-strong MQS field. In all, 55 regular teams started the event. Ukraine's Olena, the 2004 Olympic gold medalist and former world champion, was leading the regulars field with a round of 296. Delhi police take Chhatrasal Stadium murder suspect Sushil Kumar at his alleged hideout. Delhi police is leaving no stone unturned to go into the depth of the case of the murder of 23-year-old Sagar Rana at the Chhatrasal Stadium. In its latest attempt to find more evidence on the suspects, the Delhi police is taking Sushil Kumar to Haridwar, Uttarakhand, where he was allegedly hidden after an FIR was registered against him in connection with the murder. 2 days ago, the police had extended Sushil's police custody by 4 days after keeping him in for 6 days before that since his arrest on May 23. A senior Delhi police official had said the Sushil is being taken to Haridwar in an attempt to recover his mobile phone from there, if he was hiding there prior to his arrest, as India News reported. WTT Youth Star contender India's Diya Chetale and Swastika Ghosh finish runner-ups. Indians Diya Chetale and Swastika Ghosh's splendid run came to an end at the World Table Tennis Youth Star contender as the pair lost 0-3 to Russian Natalia Maliniana and Elizabeth Abramian. In the under-19 girls double final, Dia and Swastika lost 3-11, 6-11, 7-11. Earlier they had made their way into the final after defeating Czech Republic Linda Jaderova and Croatia Hana Aprovic 8-11, 11-7, 11-6, 6-11 and 11-9 in the semi-final match. In the quarter-final, Dia and Swastika had noticed up convincing victories against Belarus' Vera Volkova 11-9, 11-8 and 11-9 and Russians Natalia 12-10, 11-5, 6-11, 11-8 respectively. For more AIN sports news, kindly visit our Facebook page and YouTube channel, Aaz India News. Thank you.